Hello everyone, I am Sai Jithan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video I'll try to show you whether you can use the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi hotspot at same time in this IQ7 or not. So let's see friends whether you can do that or not. And as you can see, this is the exact model I'm trying to use right now in this video for the demonstration. And there is special use case scenario where you will be encountering this kind of option. So I'll try to explain the use case as well where it is necessary. And right now I did connect my phone to the Wi-Fi network at the moment, as you can see friends. And let me try to go to the hotspot and go to the Wi-Fi hotspot and turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. So as soon as you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, the Wi-Fi signal is there and you can use the Wi-Fi hotspot at same time. So finally friends, we got that kind of conclusion that IQ7 supports Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi tethering at same time. So this means you can actually share your Wi-Fi router with other friends. So for example, there's a situation friends, to my house, some of the relatives or maybe my friends, they did come to my house and they did ask my Wi-Fi password. So for example, to connect to the Wi-Fi, they did ask this Wi-Fi password. Instead of saying this Wi-Fi password to them, so what I'll be trying to do is I'll try to create the hotspot, which is a Wi-Fi hotspot. I'll try to create the hotspot and I'll try to create my own password. So this is really helpful friends in terms of keeping your Wi-Fi passwords really protected from others. So in this way you will be able to give your own Wi-Fi hotspot. You can create your own router from your smartphone itself friends, instead of giving actually the router password. So this is a really useful scenario. So I did see this kind of options which are coming in the smartphones from the last 2 years. I've started to check in every smartphone, whatever I get, I started to check this kind of option, is it there or not. So this is a really useful thing. And in some cases, if you have the limit to connect the number of devices, for example, if a Wi-Fi router can only connect to the 3 devices at same time, but you do have plenty of other devices, then you can use this IQ7 to create a Wi-Fi hotspot and you can connect all the devices to this phone, not to the router. So in this way you can actually do this friends by using this kind of trick. And make sure to comment below in case if you feel this kind of option is useful or not for you. But for me it's really useful in terms of not sharing the Wi-Fi password. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more interesting videos make sure to hit that subscribe and do check the links in description for more details. Until then, bye.